Storing the computer operating system. For sometimes our computer operating system stores performance slow. Then we feel the need to optimize the operating system storage drive. We can easily optimize the drive. Let's see how to do that. Go to the search option of the operating system and search for Defragment and Optimize Drive option. Now open the Defragment and Optimize Drive options in the search result. Now from this pop-up, you can see the storage type of the computer operating system. The status shows that it needs to be optimized. Select the drive and click on the Optimize button. Oh, done optimizing. Enjoy now.